Now let's continue on and start doing the trading profit and loss account. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to match the original trial balance with the adjusted trial balance that we've just done. And the rule here is that if it's on the debit side of the original trial balance and on the debit side of the adjusted trial balance, we add them together. If it's on the credit side of the trial balance and the credit side of the adjusted trial balance, we add them together. If it's on the debit side of the original trial balance and on the credit side of the adjusted, you take them away, and vice versa. Now let's have a look at the trading profit and loss account for the year ended the 31st of this 12th, 2013. So here we go. Sales on the credit side of the original trial balance, 695,000. Tick it off. You never have to touch it again. The cost of sales, my opening stock on the debit side of the original trial balance, 64,200. Tick it off. You never have to touch it again. Purchases on the debit side of the original trial balance, 530,400. Now go down on the debit side of the adjusted trial balance and you'll see 4,000. Then keep going on down and you'll see a debit of 1,250, so you add them. Now go to the credit side of the adjusted trial balance and you'll see purchases 30,000, and go down towards the end and you'll see purchases 2,400. So the purchases then will come to 503,250. Now go to your closing stock on the credit side of your adjusted trial balance. You'll come across 80,000 and then you'll come across 4,000, and that's your closing stock of 84,000. So 64,200 plus 503,250 minus 84,000 will give you 483,450, and take that from your sales, it gives you a gross profit of 211,550. Now let's go down and look at our administration and selling and distribution expenses. Now the first thing you will come across is the advertising, and advertising is 2,500. You tick it off and you put that under selling and distribution. The next thing you'll come across then is the discount allowed of 1,800. Goes into selling and distribution. Tick it off. Salaries and general expenses will be 90,000 from the original trial balance, and go to the adjusted trial balance on the credit side and you will see 600 and you will see 2,000. So they come off the 90,000 and that gives you 87,400. Rent is next at 10,000. Insurance at 5,750. And that's all of the adjustments then in the original trial balance. So go to the adjusted trial balance. Is there anything we have to put into the profit and loss account? Go down on the debit side and you will see patent write-off 8,230. Then you will see loss on disposal 14,000. Then you will see depreciation of delivery vans 9,450. And lastly then you will see depreciation of the buildings 12,800. We add those up and you get 124,180 for administration and 277,50 for selling and distribution, and we subtract those from the gross profit of 211,550 and we get 59,620, and there's no label on that number.